Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install or reinstall Microsoft Store on Windows 11. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So your first option can be simply just going to the online Microsoft Store, which you can see right here in this link. And then from here you can simply search for it in the search bar, which is right here, and search for Microsoft Store. Then once you click on download, then it's going to download it, to install it right here. Make sure to save it. Once it's saved, then it's going to appear right here in the installer, and then from the installer you can just continue. Or you can simply download the Xbox app, so you can have the xboxapplication.com, and then from here you can just click on the settings in your account, and then once you go to the settings, you can see right here, once you go to the app section, then it's going to appear here that your Microsoft Store is not available and it is available for download. So you can just click on that once it appears, just like you see in the photo. And that's pretty much it. There you go. It has been installed and even auto logged in just for you, just like that. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.